Today we have the 2024 Vauxhall Mokka. This vehicle has done just under 7,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our heated steering wheel. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, navigation, smartphone integration, our flow statistics and charge, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen is our climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between sport, normal, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.